What's up, guys? So got starting off the day with a small tile job, some natural stone, and I just wanted to show you guys my new toy that I'm happy to be using today. Right here, cooling towel. No, all seriousness aside, I added this. I bought the SX7, and I got the handle now with the corner. You know, and you get both corners if they got side. So, pretty happy about that. This is dirty still. We're going to section this out, do this part, and then work our way out. This is a little XS7. We're using in tight areas underneath the counters and such. I have the new edger, and I'm gonna utilize that also. So what's great about this is you can get right up next to the wall with this. It's going to get a good wrench. And if you have a backsplash also, you take this off and you get both sides, man. I'm telling you, tools are expensive, but it's going to make you for better results, easier clean, and quicker clean. So that's why I invest my money in quality tools. This stuff ain't cheap, guys. Nice and pre-scrubbed for easy extraction. I went around all of the exterior part of the room and scrubbed that. Getting it all dried up. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.
I love the chase and the hunt, and I set the pace when I'm running. I always take what I want and